Hi everybody. Morning. Well, I'm here in a site. We came here to repair one of our Elettronika transmitters. This unit has been installed for the past 8 years. The unit is a 10 kilowatt VHF transmitter channel 13. Okay, the unit is solid state unit, air cooled, and the unit is 3 racks, 10 amplifiers. Okay, 10 amplifiers. You see here the control unit where you can see all the readings of temperature, power of each amplifier, alarms on each amplifier, everything, all the most important information that you need is there. You don't, there's a port to connect your computer, but if you don't bring your computer, you can always see everything through the screen. Okay? Obviously, doing through the computer, you'll be able to download all the alarms and all the reports immediately to your PC. Here's the modulator. Here's the driver. Down here, over here, it's behind this. It's the filter. Each amplifier is a 1 KW. They can work on standalone. So for example, if one amplifier is down and I need to repair it, pull it out and the rest of the amplifiers can keep on working and the unit won't be off the air. So basically it's a very easy to work with because actually the customer will never be off the air. This is one of the important things about our units. They're heavy, yes, but it's metal. It's power supplies, fans, couplers, rigid line, the filter, but everything is inside the transmitter. Work alone, stand alone, it's easy to work with, if the spare parts are available. This unit, like I said, it's over 8 years old. We came in to repair because the level of damage was such that the local engineer wasn't able to repair it, so we were called to do service on the unit, and it was repaired. Now it was operating before at 4 kilowatt, and we took it up to 10 kilowatt, and it's working perfectly. So if you see this video and you're interested in our equipment, let us know. I'm the CEO. I usually go out of the field and follow up on all my customers. It's very personalized care that I do, because for me all these units are not just transmitters, they're my babies. Each one is my baby. So I have a lot of babies all over the place. So just follow us. If you want to reach out and have any questions, we're here to help, we're here to assist. Elettronika. Thank you very much. Have a good day.